For the first time ever, Google will be releasing 3 flagship phones, all with a very nice price. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, Google is finally here, and here's the first real look of the Google Pixel 9, 9 Pro and the 9 Pro XL. Starting off with the design of the Pixel 9, which could be one of the most affordable flagship phone this year. Design-wise, Pixel 9 is continuing the same kind of design language as the previous Pixel 8 generation, but there are few refinements. For example, the camera visor does not extend all the way towards the edge. Now it stays on the body, which looks a bit more premium. It seems like we have a matte finish on the camera visor while the side of the phones is looking glossy. Now since this is a non-Pro model, we have 2 cameras on the back instead of the 3, which is main wide sensor along with the ultra wide sensor. Now taking a look at the design of the Pixel 9 Pro and the 9 Pro XL, we have of course 3 cameras on the back. The camera visor is indeed bigger than the standard 9 models. Once again, we have a rounded corners with a boxy side, kind of a similar look as the iPhones. And this design is looking gorgeous. Moving on, the front display design is similar to how Google front design is in these days. The important change this time around is the screen size of the Pixel 9 Pro, which is going to be coming with a smaller 6.5 inch of a display, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL model is set to rock a 6.9 inch screen size, once again with incredible slim bezels. Along with the design, the Pixel 9 series will look to surpass the Galaxy S24 lineup when it comes to the AI war, as Google is preparing some killer AI features for their next generational flagship device. As far as the chip, Tensor G4 will be running the show. Of course, it's a very likely going to be customizable variant of the Exynos 2400. Honestly, you may be thinking why Google is using the Pixel 9 Pro XL for their device. Well, the reason is simple, that most flagship devices are coming with a 6.9 inch of display, while on the back, Google might be giving a larger sensor as compared to their Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9, which will definitely enhance the photographic and videography of the Google Pixel 9 series. Plus, there could be a bigger battery, which definitely enhance the experience for the user. And guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope these 3 flagship devices will be coming in a good pricing. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.